Okay, let's say you got this image in your email and you want to put it on your Google Classroom. So once you get the attachment, you can click download. And on the download section, when it downloads, you can click this. If you're on a Mac, you might be on a PC, I'm not sure. But I will hit open. And this file will go to where your download section is probably. So this one's going to open in Microsoft Word. I sent you a JPEG version so you don't have to worry about it. But if you're in Microsoft Word, you can always go to File and Save As. And then if you want to upload it to the desktop, this is what I'm going to do. It says where, I'm going to put it on the desktop. I'm going to change it to a PDF. If I put a PDF up there, it's going to lock it in color. So if I select PDF and then I hit export, this could be done on a Mac. I'm not sure what platform you're on. Okay. So now if I wanted to post this here, I'll go to my stream. I would type my message. Here is the spring schedule, etc. Right? In the for section, I would click this, and here I could check all of my classes. So it goes, the same message goes at the same time to all of my classes. Then this button here that says add, I click it, and then I'm going to look for the word file. When I look for the word file, make sure upload is selected. I'm going to select it from my device. It is that letter. As I'm scrolling, spring break schedule, I hit open. It's here. I hit upload. The file is attached, and then I hit the post button. Okay. So when I hit the post button, then give it a few seconds. It's been uploaded. When I hit show, here's the schedule, and then here it is in color. And that's it.